Hi, I'm Susan. Today is week 49 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. We've only got very few more weeks, 3 weeks after this one, and we'll be done with for this year. I noticed she does have her prompts in her Etsy store, so if you'll participate next year, I plan on doing it. I've really enjoyed this. This has really taught me a lot. So our prompts for this week is something on a string, and I'm going to show you that later. A measurement of something, even if you write it out, and I've got these little digitals of tape measures. A piece of a map, I've already laid that in my background. Something cold to touch, I've got this refrigerator. And bonus, something geometric shape besides rectangular, and I've got this octagon. And the bonus is a person, and I've got this fella. So be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP49 to see what everyone else has made. This has been a fun year. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my finished project, and I think it's fun. I love the look on that kid's face. Something on a string. I realize now that it looks like that's on the string, but what I was going for was the bee on a string. My cousin used to tie a string on a bumblebee and fly them around the yard, and I was never that brave. But it could be the bee, it could be the octagon that kind of looks like a balloon. So I've got the something on a string, a measurement of something. I just measured with the tape. A piece of a map, and that's my background. Something in a geometric shape, that's my octagon. Something cold to touch, I've got this ice box or refrigerator, and the bonus is a person. And I love the quote, if we couldn't laugh, we would all go insane, by Robert Frost, because that surely would be true for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. So be sure and check out the hashtag 2022CWP49. There's only three more weeks of this year. So until next time, bye y'all.